Moxie Media presents Crew Endurance Management Practices for Maritime Employees, a guide for controlling fatigue and risk factors that affect performance, alertness, and safety in the commercial maritime industry. Recent incidents have focused attention on all industries within the transportation sector for the need of continuous improvement in operating practices. The maritime industry has the opportunity now to take positive, proactive steps to develop operating practices that may lessen crew endurance risk factors and improve the quality of life for our people. The good news is that crew endurance management implementation is a proactive step that each and every one of us can take right now to address this issue. The time is right. The U.S. Coast Guard has offered its support and resources. There is no reason to wait. As a crew member in the maritime industry, you are well aware of the many positive attributes that your job has to offer. Beautiful surroundings, flexible work schedules, good pay and benefits, professional, hard-working crewmates, and job security. For many crewmen, work life on the rivers, waterways, and oceans of the world has been a calling for many generations in their family and provides a level of satisfaction found nowhere else. However, it seems that in today's fast-paced 24-hour economy, that everyone is complaining about how their job is stressful, both mentally and physically. How many times have you heard your neighbor, relative, or spouse complain about how tired they are? Well, for a few folks, the situation can be just as taxing within the maritime industry. From time to time, we run into situations on the waterways that challenge us, potentially causing fatigue, which in turn can lead to decreased endurance. What you may not be aware of is that fatigue is not the only factor affecting endurance. Crew endurance refers to the ability of a crew to maintain performance within safety limits while coping with job-related operational, physiological, psychological, and environmental challenges. Crew endurance is now being studied scientifically by experts in the medical and management fields. The results of these studies point to a variety of contributing factors, which we will present throughout this program. In general, the incidence of maritime accidents has been steadily declining in the last few years. As all companies strive to raise the safety bar even higher, crew endurance management is a fertile area to discuss. Minimizing the possibility of maritime accidents requires a shared responsibility between crew members and managers, from changing daily work and personal habits on the part of crew members to making environmental, operational, and engineering enhancements on the part of management. The solutions can be complex and can require training, planning, and communication, not only between company management and vessel masters, but also between masters and crew members. Following the recommendations outlined in this program can help you control the risk factors that affect crew endurance and thereby ensure safe levels of performance and safety.